Hi, I am creating this tutorial to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create folders, add documents, and share from Google Drive. These are the steps that I would take. Step number 1, log into Google Drive with a Gmail account. Step number 2, create a folder. Step number 3, add files from my PC to the folder in Google Drive. Step number 4, share by copying the folder link. Step number 6, or step number 5 rather, share by email invitation. So let me go to the first step, which is to log in to my Google Drive. Already, I am logged in to my Gmail. And if I click on app on Chrome, it gives me the option of different Google applications. I would select Google Drive. So once I am in my Google Drive, I'm going to take the next step, which is to create a folder. So let me go to Drive and click on the add icon here, which says new. So click on that. I would have an option to add folder from my PC. Okay. Add file or create new folder. So new folder. Now I'll give the folder a name. Course deliverables. So I'll call the folder course deliverables and click on create button here. So once the folder is created, it brings me to that folder. So the next step I'll do is I'm going to go into the folder just as you go into a folder on your PC. So click on that or double click on that. It brings me into the folder. Okay. Now I have two options here. I can either drag and drop my files from my PC to this folder, or I can add the traditional way by clicking on the add new. So let me do the first option, drag and drop one of the files. So I'm going to click on my folders. I already created a folder here called add to Google Drive, and I have 4 files here. I can actually drag the entire folder from my PC and add the folder into Google Drive, and it will upload all of the documents inside the folder. But that is not what I want to do. So let me just drag each file one after the other. So I'll drag the first file, which is going to be an Excel document, and load it, and you see start loading. So now that file is inside this course deliverable folder. Okay. I want to rename the folder because there's an error here. There's no A, so I'm going to put the A there. Okay. So now the folder is well spelled. Now the other way to add files to my folder is through the add button. So I'm going to click, so long as I'm inside this folder now, if I click on add, upload file, and then go to the location of the file on my PC. So this is here, add Google Drive, and then I'm going to select the PowerPoint document this time around and click on open. And there you go. You have the folder, the file added to the folder. Finally, I'm going to just drag the last document there. So I can select 2 documents as well. I don't have to drag them one after the other. I can select multiples, drag and drop. and then I get those two files that I've dragged and dropped into the folder. So I've shown you how to add single file by dragging and dropping, how to add file by going to your PC file folder to select the file, and also how to drag and drop multiple files into the folder. The last thing I want to do here is to also drag the entire folder from my PC into Google Drive. I can use both ways. I can either go through the add button to add a folder, or I can drag and drop. So I'm going to drag and drop this folder here, and then you'll see an additional folder inside the folder I have created. Okay. What next can I do here? If I double click on that folder, I'll see all of the files inside of that folder. They are still uploading. So I'm going to go back, and you can see the folder name is also captured here. Add to Google Drive, which is this same folder, add to Google Drive folder. Okay. So let me go back one step and click on course deliverables. I still have this folder here. I will delete this folder for now, move to trash, and then click on the add icon, and then upload folder upload. So in this case, I can select the folder as well and upload the folder. So upload. So the folder has been uploaded as well. All right. So these are the ways to either upload files or upload folders into Google Drive. Finally, how to share your folder with other people to collaborate on your documents. So you can share by copying the folder link, or you can share by email invitation. So let's look at those two options as well. So if I want to share this folder via a link, I'll click on the drop down and you'll see share. So I can either share by adding people or copy a link. So when I copy this link, I can now share this link with anyone who I want to have access to the files in that folder. And I can give them the option to be able to edit the files within the folder or not. Okay. Then the second option is to add those you already have their email addresses. So I'm going to click on this share button. Now it gives me the option to add people, groups, and calendar events. Okay. And then the access. So I can still copy my link here or find someone that I want to grant access. So once I select this user now and I click on send, and the user privilege could either be edit, comment, or viewer. So I want this person to be able to add, organize, and edit this file. That is fine. And I want them to be notified. If I don't want them to be notified, they will not get the notification. And click on send. Now, if I click here, I can see the people that have access to this folder, myself and this other person that I have added as well to have access to this folder. So this is how you can create folders on Google Drive and share content in the folder. Now, Google will now convert all of these documents into Google Sheet, which is their own version of Excel. They also have okay, let me give you guys the options there. So they have the docs, the sheet, and the slides, okay? So this document has now been converted to sheet, doc, and slides. So the people you are collaborating with can also edit this document. So it's for collaborative purpose. So whoever you share this document with and this file folder with and the document, and you want to grant them access to edit, they can edit as well. So it's cloud-based system for you to collaborate with others on the same document. So what next can I do? Let me click on this, open this slide. So now this is going to open on Google Slide. You can see the name there. And then I can now edit this document, and everyone who have access will see the latest version of the document. So this is an updated version of this document. Okay. I can do save. It saves automatically, and I can close this document. Next time, if I open the document, it will have the updated text there. And I can log in as the other person and also edit the document. It will show the history of the various versions of the document and who is updating each version. So with that, I come to the end of this short presentation on how to create folders, add documents, and share from Google Drive. Please make use of this video and start working collaboratively on Google Drive for free. All you need is a Gmail account. Thank you.